I wanted to be alone for a while, metaphorically alone. Not to interact with any other human being, but if we wanted to be literally alone, what would that even mean? Would it mean getting as far away from other people as physically possible? If that were the goal, I'd probably head to Point Nemo. This is the most remote point in the ocean, over 2,500 kilometers, 1,553 miles from the nearest land. And that nearest land? Just a few tiny, uninhabited islands. The closest continent is Antarctica. What's even more mind-blowing is that if the International Space Station happens to be flying overhead, it's actually closer than any human on Earth, just 408 kilometers above. But what if no people isn't enough? What if we wanted to be far away from anything? Nowhere. Nothing. But even Point Nemo is something. It's water. It's Earth. And according to Google reviews, it apparently deserves 3.5 stars. If we really wanted to experience nothingness, we'd have to go further, into space. Or better yet, to a specific place in space. A place called, quite poetically, the Big Nothing. The Void. More precisely, the Buddha's Void. Here's what that region looks like. It spans about 330 million light years in diameter. That's enough to fit 3,000 galaxies like ours. Normally, a region of this size would contain 1,000, maybe even 2,000 galaxies. But in this supervoid, astronomers have only found 60. Still, today's Big Nothing isn't the biggest known. Enter the KBC Void, named after the astronomers who discovered it. It's over 6 times larger than the Buddha's Void. And guess what? Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is inside it. So it turns out we don't need to go anywhere to be in the middle of cosmic nothingness. We're already here, born and living in a region of the universe that, by cosmic standards, is remarkably empty. And if we were to drift somewhere outside our galaxy, beyond any other cluster of stars, we'd be so far from everything that, without advanced telescopes, we'd see nothing. And then, we'd finally be truly alone.